Have you ever felt that ancient call to explore, that deep, almost magnetic pull, urging you to step beyond the ordinary, to chase sunsets in new cities, taste foods you can't pronounce, and feel alive in places you've never been for centuries? That same desire has pushed humans to sail unknown seas, cross vast deserts, and climb uncharted mountains. And now it's your turn. In this video, we're revealing the smartest, most powerful tips to help you plan the perfect trip in 2025. Not just any trip, but one that leaves you transformed, inspired, and craving more. So grab your passport and let's start planning the journey of a lifetime, because the world is waiting and your next adventure starts right here. Every great journey starts with understanding your destination. Before you even pack your bags, the adventure begins with curiosity and a sense of wonder. Taking the time to learn about where you're headed can transform a simple trip into a truly meaningful experience. It's about more than just knowing the location, it's about connecting with the spirit of the place. In 2025, research is your superpower. Virtual tours, local stories, and digital guides let you connect before you even arrive. With just a few clicks, you can walk the streets of a distant city, listen to the voices of locals, and uncover hidden gems that most travelers miss. Technology now brings the world to your fingertips, making it easier than ever to plan unforgettable adventures. Travelers are now seeking cool vacation spots, think Scandinavia or the Pacific Northwest, to escape the heat and discover new frontiers. These destinations offer not only relief from rising temperatures, but also a chance to immerse yourself in breathtaking landscapes, vibrant cultures, and unique traditions. The world is full of surprises for those willing to look beyond the obvious. The more you know before you go, the deeper your experience will be. Preparation allows you to travel with intention, appreciate the nuances of each place, and create memories that last a lifetime. So embrace the art of reconnaissance. Your next adventure starts long before you set foot on the road. Every adventure needs a budget. Smart planning gives you freedom, not limits. New tools like Nomad Wallet use AI to predict expenses and track spending so you can focus on experiences, not receipts. Provision wisely and your journey will be rich in memories, not worries. Timing is everything. Book early to secure the best deals and peace of mind. In 2025, look for early bird specials and shoulder season packages. Travel in April or September for value and great weather. Plan ahead and watch anticipation replace stress. A flexible itinerary is key. Structure gives your trip purpose, but spontaneity brings it to life. Anchor travel is trending. Stay in one place longer, leave days unplanned, and launch spontaneous adventures from your base. The best discoveries often happen off the map. Pack light, pack smart. Every item should earn its place. Choose versatile, layerable clothing and essentials. In 2025, a portable power bank with universal adapters is a must. Stay charged, stay connected. Your luggage should be a toolkit, not a burden. Stay connected and stay aware. Communication and situational awareness are your best travel companions. New parametric travel insurance offers instant payouts for delays, so you can adapt to disruptions without hassle. Confidence and preparation let you explore freely. True travel is about connection. Immerse yourself in local culture, taste the food, learn the language, and share stories. Join a local workshop. Make pasta in Tuscany, try calligraphy in Kyoto, or learn eco-farming in Costa Rica. These moments of exchange create memories that last a lifetime. With every detail in place and your bags finally packed, the anticipation builds. Preparation is more than just organizing your belongings. It's about getting ready for the experiences that await. As you zip up your suitcase, you're not just closing a bag, but opening the door to new memories and adventures. Each keepsake you collect, every photo you snap, and every stamp in your passport becomes a part of your personal story. A story you'll cherish and carry with you forever, long after the journey ends. Travel has a way of changing us. The world opens your mind, challenges your perspective, and fills your heart with gratitude. When you return home, you'll see familiar places with new eyes and a bigger heart, forever shaped by the places you've been and the people you've met. Are you ready to begin your own adventure? Take the first step, click the link to book your next journey, and make 2025 the year you discover just how far you can go. Your adventure is waiting. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more travel guides, hidden gems, and tips to make your next adventure unforgettable.